Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to save in GTA 5. Alright, let's begin. To save in GTA 5 story mode, there are several methods. The fastest way is to open your phone by pressing up on the D-pad, then select the Quick Save app. Choose a save slot and your game will be saved immediately. Another way is to sleep at a safe house. Go to bed, press right on the D-pad or E on your keyboard, and sleep. This saves your game and advances time. Michael skips 6 hours, Franklin skips 8 hours, and Trevor skips 12 hours. You can also save automatically after every mission or progression by enabling autosave. To do this, pause the game, go to Settings, select Saving, and turn autosave on. This ensures your progress is always protected without manual saving. So that's basically how you can save in GTA 5. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.